50-30-20 budget rule. What does it mean? Why have budget rule? We have our financial expert Manish with us to gain more clarity on this. Manish, could you please elaborate on this?
When we talk about savings, it's again thumb rule, and it can vary according to person to person. Somebody can save as high as 50%, somebody can save as low as 10% also. But as a thumb rule, it's said that you should have a budget rule of 50-30-20. That means 50% should be for your daily needs. Let's say it's grocery, housing, utility, insurance, car payment, and all. 30% is something which you should enjoy your life with. We are not saying you being extremely stingy in terms of spending. You should enjoy your life. 30% you can dedicate to shopping, dining out, travel, hobbies, but at least 20% savings should be done for your future expenses or for your future journey. This 50-30 rule, a 50-30-20 rule. But if you can reduce your needs, wants, if you can expand that saving bucket of yours, you will have a much healthy journey in the long term.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.